Look at that. Tastes like the future. Hey, I'm Elly Awesome, and today I'm taking you behind the scenes of the Aussie drone delivery service, Wing. With Wing, you can order food, drinks, and even over-the-counter medicines delivered directly to your driveway in just a handful of minutes. So let's take a closer look. They're coordinating a delivery right now. They're figuring out which launch pads they should take off from.
So in 45 seconds, I'm gonna go to seat 2, and yeah, someone's lunch is on its way.
Wish my lunch was on its way. Wing fact, the fastest delivery to date from order to delivery to the customer's house is 2 minutes and 47 seconds. Wing's drone delivery is an extremely efficient delivery service because they can go up to 110 kilometers an hour. That's speedy. Wow. All right, so all systems are go up here. So let's go downstairs and see some behind the scenes of Boost Juice packing an order. Well, come on then. Didn't know you were following me. All right, we're down at Boost Juice now. They're making some of the deliveries that people have ordered through Wing, and then we're gonna follow them back up to the roof to watch them fly away to happy customers.
This is someone's mango magic and protein bowl for lunch.
All right, you better get out there and set it up for delivery.
Here we go.
Okay. I'm helping. All right, super excited because I'm at home now and I'm going to order my first Wing drone delivery. So I'll show you how it all works in the app. There are a bunch of different things you can order on here. As I was saying, food, drinks, even like over-the-counter medicines. But today I'm gonna be grabbing myself a Boost. I don't know about you guys, but I usually go for the banana buzz or maybe something with like berries in it.
What's that? Lychee, love and berry?
Well, yeah, that one's good. I just tried that the other day. So this is where we're gonna get it delivered, and the app's telling me how I can clear this spot to make sure it's safe for drone delivery. It says clear the area. The aircraft will lower your package to the ground at the location selected. Please remove all items or objects, including cars, from this location. Okay, here we go. Review and check out. Make sure you keep people and pets away while the package is being delivered. All right, my order's on the way. Can't wait. It's coming. This is so awesome, guys. A Boost Juice delivered from the sky. We're gonna unbox it together. Ready for this, cameraman? Okay. Look at that. It's got a nice little cup holder inside. Got the Boost. Tastes like the future. I hope you enjoyed coming along with me, checking out the behind the scenes of Wing's drone delivery service. I sure did. And guys, make sure you subscribe to Wing. Check all their info out in the description. And hopefully I'll see you guys next time. Bye.